Prevalence of Insomnia in 2 Saskatchewan First Nation communities.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Insomnia is a common problem in Canada and has been associated with increased use of healthcare services and economic burden. This paper examines the prevalence and risk factors for insomnia in 2 Cree First Nations communities in Saskatchewan, Canada. 588 adults participated in a baseline survey conducted as part of the First Nations Sleep Health Collaborative Project.
The prevalence of insomnia was 19.2% among participants with an insomnia severity index score of over 15. Following the definition of nighttime insomnia symptoms, however, the prevalence of insomnia was much higher at 32.6%.
In this study, multivariate logistic regression modeling revealed that age, physical health, depression diagnosis, chronic pain, prescription medication use for any health condition, and waking up during the night due to terrifying dreams, nightmares, or flashbacks related to traumatic events were risk factors for insomnia among participants from 2 Saskatchewan Cree First Nations communities.
In conclusion, this unique study will assist healthcare providers in diagnosing and treating patients with insomnia in these communities.